Hello, you all enthusiastic learners. Welcome back to Mind Map, where you map out your mind. Let's continue our learning journey by learning another topic for the day, that is
the second part of algebra, that is algebraic identity. Before heading to the topic, let's recall some of the basic from earlier video. We have learned the multiplication of algebra. So we had taken the like terms, that is x into x gives you x square. So now we'll consider some of the numbers in similar order. So 2 into 2 gives you 2 square. So 2 square means multiplying 2 number twice, which is 2 into 2, which gives me 4. Now we have 3 squared. So multiply 3 two times. So it is 3 into 3 gives you 9. Next I have 10 square. 10 square means 10 into 10, which is nothing but 100. Now if the numbers increases in terms of zeros, so keep in mind that how many zeros you have, that many zeros you're gonna multiply 2 times. So here you have 2 zeros, so I'm gonna multiply 2 times. So into 2 into 2 4, so you have to write 4 zeros. Let's multiply unlike terms now. So write the answer with the same variable but without multiplication sign. Let's head to the main topic, that is algebraic identities. Have you ever wondered, can you multiply two numbers without actual multiplication operation? Yes, you can, using the formulas given by algebraic identities. So here I have the first set of formula, that is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. It's a very important formula to find the product without the operation of multiplication. So let's find out how to solve this. So I have the first question, 103 into 103. So here 103 is repeated twice. So I can write it as 103 to the power 2. So next, here comes the important and the first step in solving. Splitting into two numbers. We have to split 103 into two numbers. Make sure that the first number must be in hundreds. So 103 can be written as 100 plus 3 to the power 2. So it looks exactly like the formula of a plus b whole square. So A is represented as 100 and B is represented as 3. This was the first part of solving. Next is second part, that is substituting the value of A and B in the formula. So I have A square plus B square plus 2AB. So in the place of A square, I substitute 100 square plus B square I have. So I'll substitute 3 square plus 2 into A into B, that gives me 2 into 100 into 3. So 100 square is 10,000 plus 3 square is 9 and 2 into 100 into 3 is 600. Total you get 10,609. So with or without multiplication operation, we get exactly the same answer in both the methods. So let's head to the next set of formulas, that is the second formula, that gives me a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So the only difference between the first and the second formula is the negative sign in the question. So it's also the second most important formulas which need to be studied. Let's see how to find the product without multiplication using this formula. So I have the first question, 98 into 98, which can be written as 98 square. Next is the first and the important step is splitting the numbers. So I have 98, which need to be split into two numbers. So the first number must be in 100. If we consider 100 to be the first number, then in order to get 98, we should subtract by 2. So we get 100 minus 2. So it exactly looks like a minus b the whole square. So where a is represented as 100 and b is represented as 2. So this was the first part of solving. Next is the second part, that is substituting the values of a and b in the formula. So I have a square plus b square minus 2ab. So in the place of a square, I substitute 100 square, b square I substitute 2 square minus 2 into ab, which is 2 into 100 into 2. So 100 square is 10,000 plus 4 minus 400 gives me 9,604, which is exactly the same answer when we get with or without multiplication operation. Let's see some of the question where we need to split the numbers into two, and that was the first and the important part in solving. So the first question, 109 square. So whenever we split the number, make sure the first number is 100. So in order to get 109, I should add it with plus 9. So it becomes 100 plus 9. Next I have 96 square. The first number will be 100. So in order to get 96, I need to subtract with 4, that is 100 minus 4. gives me 96. Next I have 92 square, so the first number will be 100. So in order to get 92, I should subtract with minus 8. So I hope the splitting part in solving is more clear now. Let's head to the third set of formula in algebraic identities. So the formula goes like a plus b into a minus b gives you a square minus b square. Again, this is the third most important formula to be studied. So let's solve how to find the product using this formula. So I have the first question, 103 into 97. Make sure that you split each number separately. So if we consider 100 to be the first number, then in order to get 103, we should add by plus 3. Next, in order to get 97, we should subtract 100 by 3. So I get 100 plus 3 into 100 minus 3. So it looks exactly same as the formula a plus b into a minus b. So here a represents 100 and b represents 3. That was the first part of solving. Next part is substituting the values of a and b in the formula. So formula is a square minus b square. So in the place of a square, I substitute 100 square minus b square. I have substitute minus 3 square. So 100 square gives me 10,000. 3 square gives me 9. So together makes 9,991. So let's see some of the questions where we need to split each numbers into 2. So I have the first question, 104 into 96. So in order to get 104, I should add it with plus 4 to 100. And to get 96, I should subtract with 4 to 100. Next I have 109 into 91. So to get 109, I should add it with plus 9. And to get 91, I should subtract with 9. Next, I have 106 into 94. So to get 106, I should add the plus 6 to 100. And to get 94, I should subtract the 6 with 100. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel.